Follow these steps to post on Reddit. First, launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Navigate to the option Create. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now from here, you are able to add a post on Reddit. You are able to add link, picture, videos, poll, question answers, anything you would like. Just click on these icons given over here. For this guide, I'm going to add a picture. Now you are able to edit this picture, add some text, draw filters or crop it, then click on add. Now click over here and select a community. You can give a title. You can also add tags. Once you are done, you can click on post. So this way you are able to post on Reddit. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.